Hey, what's happening, everybody? Check it out. A lot of people always ask me, how am I getting this free Bitcoin and how am I doing it with Swift Demand? So I'm going to show you guys really quickly what it is that we're doing. The first thing that you do is you set up a free Swift Demand account. When you get the Swift Demand account, you will be receiving 100 tokens. You receive 100 tokens. You also receive 100 tokens every day, right? Every day you get from 12 to 24 hours, you receive your daily bonus. Also, you receive 500 tokens every time you bring somebody in. So this is my account. I'm going to show you what it is I'm doing to stack in this Bitcoin. Now, these tokens are coming over to us in our free community. This is our community, guys, which is Swift Demand. So I'm going to log in. This is my login right here. See me going in. Oh yeah. Come on, guys. All right. So right now, you see I have 147,000 coins. It's telling me right now to claim my 100 from yesterday. I didn't get it yesterday. I didn't claim it. There it is today. And it tells me in 8 hours and 16 minutes, I'm going to get another. If you look over here, you see me trading. Look at the trades. A lot of people like, well, how are you doing it? You see that coin going out? See it says minus? I'm trading coin with my team members, guys, and it goes on and on and on. The trades never end with me because I'm trading with my team, right? A lot of people say that, well, you can't trade these coins. Yes, we do. They're giving me 105 in Bitcoin. I'm giving them 105 in Swift Demand coin. So as you see the trades, right? $10 in coin or $10 in Swift Demand. You see? So I'm trading. Now I'm going to claim. Let me show you me claiming. Let me go back to my account. It jumped on me. Let me go back to my account. Claim. Watch this. Bam, you see it sent that 100 up into my account. Now it's 147, 133. Now, that is how we get the free coin every day. Every day we get free coin. Now, I'm going to take you over here to my trading platform, which is CryptoNet Global. I built this platform myself for my team within our private community. So you see when I log in, wow, this is us. This is where we are right here. We have our dashboard. We have our trainings, right? This is our free training where you guys get to come in over here and learn about Bitcoin, guys. See how we learn about Bitcoin? We're teaching, guys. We're teaching over here at CryptoNet Global. So we're using Swift Demand for something more powerful, guys, than just moving coin. We have our own training academy. This is our website where we trade at. It tells us everything right here. Here's our links, just in case we want to send somebody out to join. We have everything, guys. So when somebody tell you, well, yeah, you can't trade this, no, you don't know what you're talking about. You just don't know how to do it. We know how to do everything that it is that we need to do, guys. We're over here killing the game because we understand fully what it is that we need to do that. So this is our trading site. This is our platform. This is our training academy. Guys, the thing is amazing. We're enjoying ourselves. We're making great money over here. This is our downlines. It tells us who our downline members are. The internet moved a little slow, but that's okay. It tells us who our downline members are. I don't know what you're thinking. We're killing this game because we have our own trading site, our own platform. Now, I'm going to show you something really, really quickly, guys. This is real important. This is my Bitcoin wallet. This is after, I believe, it's been almost 30 days. Today is the 23rd of November. This account I set up. Guys, check it out. This is my account with Bitcoin. Today, Bitcoin is at 16,442. Right now, I'm at 8,264 from trading this free coin. That's my Bitcoin. 8,264.46. I haven't done any hard work. The only thing I'm doing is building a community. Here is our community over on Facebook. Boom. Swift Demand Network. See all of my traders, all of my people in this trading. You're looking at this live time. So when somebody say, well, how do you do it? You can't do it. Yeah, you're looking at it. This is our network over here, our private community over here inside of Facebook. We also have our Facebook chat. And guys, we're killing it. This is our mastermind chat right here where all our members are at. You see them in here talking. We're trading, guys. We're making money with this coin right here. While people are talking, we're making money with the coin. So if you want to do like us, you want to start trading that Swift Demand, get with me and let me show you how to do it. If you do not have Swift Demand, get with me. Let me show you how you can be getting free coin every day, guys. You see right here where it's telling you, I'm getting ready to grab another 108 hours, guys. Plus, if you look, it's super excited. You see how when somebody join, when I bring in a member, see these referral bonuses? 500 in coin, 500 in coin, 500 in coin, 500 in coin, 500 in coin. Do you see that? That's because I'm steady bringing people in, right? 500 in coin. I'm bringing people in. Referral bonuses, guys, referral bonuses. And look at our daily income claims, $100, right? Daily income. This one I let it drift for a couple of days, come back and get it, $200, $700. This is free coin. So I just wanted to take 5 minutes to show you guys what it is that we're doing, how we're making this money, how I'm able to pull in what it is I need to be pulling in and make things happen, guys. This is over here at our website. This is where we're doing all of our work. We're making money and we're helping other people do it the same. So get with me. Let me set you up for your Swift Demand account. Let's make it happen. You guys have a great one. Take care.